gently.
Okay.
Oh, not the
That
face.
is double grown.
Yeah.
This is double.
Spider crabs have a hard, spiky shell, but their shell's often fuzzy. That's because they're covered in little tiny hooks. They can actually pick things up and stick them on their body and camouflage themselves that way. Sometimes they'll bury itself in the sand. So as long as we have an open space, it can actually just dig right on down. Same thing as our baby horseshoe crab. Keep your fingers outside the water, please. Thank you.
Can you think of that? Like
The horseshoe crab.
baby horseshoe. Oh my god.
So here's the front of the horseshoe crab. That's the tail. Not a stingray. And it's not really a crab. If we look underneath, you'll see it looks like a spider. See that? It looks like a big spider. So it's related to spiders. It's pinchy, but it doesn't hurt. They're not dangerous at all.
What is it?
Right? As it walks with the legs right there. The tail's there because sometimes they get onto the back. So if I put it upside down, it says, no, I don't want to be on my back. And it pushes with the tail. See it pushing? It's going to push all the way over, just like that. Crawls around. Oh, keep your hands outside the water. So when they're born, they're very tiny. They're actually about that big. After about 2 years, they're this size. So this is a young one. You can hold this one with 2 hands if you'd like to. Keep your hands open. It will walk on you. Right? So that one's still growing. The other one, that's actually a fully grown male horseshoe crab. Females get even bigger. So if you've seen a bigger horseshoe crab, it was a girl.
Would you like to see baby crab?
Actually, what you're looking at is a small crab called a mud crab. It's not a baby. It never gets bigger than that. It's a very small type of crab in our bay.
It gets smaller than that. It's wet.